Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website. This is the website you can watch advertisement and you can claim your faucet just from this website. Okay, this website pay you AdTRX Tron to your Faucet pay account. This is the last withdrawal from this website and this is the deposit from this website. Okay, and this is very high payment website. This much users available in this website. Today users ads watch and today ads watch. Okay, and this website link available in description. Click register yourself first. The registration is very easy and you can register yourself and you can refer yourself too. Okay, put your username, first name, last name, email, password and confirm password. Just sit. Okay, just solve the captcha and click register. Okay, I have already account. I just go to login to login my account. Okay, now I go to login. Okay, I'm here. Just click login for login. If you make account, just click login so you can log in your website. Put your username, password and just solve the captcha and you can log in this website. Okay, that was too easy. Parking methods, just click verify and click login. Okay, in this website you have three ways for earning. Okay, the first one is this referral. You can invite your friends to come here, join in this website. If the website friends work, they pay you 8% of the commission. The next one is surfing. The surfing hats is very easy. Just watch an advertisement, solve the captcha first and you can available to watch advertisement. Okay, and I click capture, solve the captcha. I click enter. Okay, and I wait to show me the advertisement. Okay, okay, this is the advertisement. Free DG byte. You watch this website for 62 seconds. They pay you this much TRX to your balance. Okay, and if you reach 20 TRX, you can withdraw your amount. Okay, right now I will show you. Just click view. Okay, view, just wait for 62 seconds and then solve a captcha and you can earn your money from this website. Okay, that was too easy. I just pause the video, I come back and you can see the timer is finished. They pay me the amount and you can watch again. Just click it. Okay, and sometimes they show you one advertisement 2 times or 3 times. That was fine. You just watch the advertisement and you can earn. Okay, and that was too easy. If you want to escape this advertisement, just click escape. You can escape this advertisement and the next advertisement will be show for you. And you just go to the next way is short link. The short link is another best way you can earn from here. Just visit the short links. Okay, I just wait to load the short links for me. Okay, this is available short links in this website. 34 short links available. If you watch all the short links, they pay you this much TRX and this is very high payment from this website. Okay, I show you the withdrawal. How much is the withdrawal, how you can withdraw, which balance, which cryptocurrency and which wallet you can withdraw. Okay, the first one is the Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay is have the minimum withdrawal. Okay, the Faucet Pay has the minimum withdrawal. Just go click Faucet Pay. The minimum withdrawal is 20 TRX in the Faucet Pay. And the next one is your balance. You can withdraw to your balance. Okay, I go back to show you how you can withdraw to your Coinbase balance wallet. Okay, this is a Coinbase wallet. You can withdraw your balance, and please fill the withdrawal address. I didn't fill the withdrawal address. I come back down, or I click this one. Okay, you can fill your withdrawal address, or you can go to your profile to fill your withdrawal address. That was so easy to filling the withdrawal address. Okay, I just wait. Okay, and this is the withdrawal address. I put my Faucet Pay. You can click change and you can go to your withdrawal wallet address. Okay, and you can put your wallet address in here. Just click change. Okay, this website will be easily change your wallet, and if you want to Faucet Pay, you can come back and click change, and you can put your Faucet Pay wallet address, TRX wallet address, or your email address. Okay, anyone you want. I have an email address, just I put my email address, or if you have your wallet address, you go to Faucet Pay, go to deposit, copy the TRX wallet address, and you can withdraw to your wallet address. Okay, this is the TRX wallet address. I copy and I come back and paste in here. Okay, just click change. This is very easy. You can put your wallet address. Okay, and you can withdraw very easy from this website. And this is the all information about me, and that was too easy. And you can edit profile, change the password too. Okay, and this website link available in description. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This video is very easy, and you can earn much more crypto TRX from this website. The referral link is 8% commission you can earn from the referral link. Okay, this is all available referral link for me, but I tell you one thing, one trick. I make another video for that trick. Some of this referral link is my self referral link, and I earn 2 times or 4 times per day from this website. Okay, I show you, and you can very easy. Every day you can withdraw your balance. Okay, every day you can earn 20 TRX. Just comment me if you want to learn that trick. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.